What's going on, you guys? It's Jacob back on yours going to Wisconsin. If you got near him, magic just drive a like, leave comment, subscribe to Jacob family today. And today we're going, and today, something seems like it's so snowing outside. Something's coming from outside. Oh my goodness, you guys! It's so blizzarding. Oh my goodness, oh, I'm so hungry. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Oh my god, we have no food. Only we have none. Like air. Oh my goodness, we had to go to the grocery store before this power went out. Oh my goodness. Good morning, Bobby. Are you ready to go grocery store? Yeah, I'm scared. They said there's gonna be a tornado coming in. Bring me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Just not good. We have to turn it off right now. There we go. Actually, we're gonna leave it on. Never mind. Let's go. Let's go right now. Let's go to the grocery store right now. Alright, you guys. We are taking this new Nissan Armada. You guys. Oh my goodness. Seems like this thing. Alright, buckle. Yeah, alright, let's go. Oh my god, the sky is normal. Well, we have to go to a grocery store right now. We need to go to Boat Food. It's the only store in Greenville, Wisconsin. Oh my goodness, you guys, the snow is dropping right now. Oh my goodness, we need to go. We need to go there right now, you guys. We need to go there right now. We have no time to pull over. We have no time. We have no time. Even the power right now, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. We need to. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at our. Really lost control. This liver, the road is made of ice. Seems like there's like a Arctic. I think we're getting closer to Arctic, you guys. Oh my goodness. We need to. Next time, I think we need to. Or hopefully we want to move to other place without Arctic. South is Florida, they have Arctic. I don't know. Can we find a place without Arctic? Oh, tundra mountain. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Go to the highway right now. It's so slippery. Oh my god, oh hell, sign, you guys. Still cannot believe it. Oh my goodness, you guys, make me lost control. Look at this thing. Well, you know, with the high speed wind, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. That's good. Oh my god, you guys, we have to stay calm, you guys. Everything's gonna be okay. Focus on where we're going. Focus on the road. We have to stay calm, you guys. We have to stay calm. Guys. First time we need to go to the gas station to fill this car right now. So Bobby, do you want something in the gas station? I want Powerade. That thing is okay. We need Powerade. Powerade is for Powerade. We need Powerade to survive the crazy weather. Oh my goodness, you guys! Seems like Lufkin, Texas, having a snowstorm. Oh my goodness, you guys! Oh my goodness! You guys, this is not good. You guys, this is not good. We have to go to the first stop. We're past that. think if did we pass that? I think did we pass that? I don't think so. I don't think so. Focus on the road. I think we have to go U-turn. We have to go U-turn. So we have to stretch line and everything. Oh my gosh, guys, we have to stay calm. We have to stay calm. Oh my goodness, it's so slippery. So icy. Did we just pass that gas station? Oh my goodness. I guess we have to go U-turn, guys. We just passed that turn. We have to go next turn. Because so foggy, it's like we're in Arctic. Yes, oh my goodness. No, unfortunately we cannot go to Becky's. Where's the next turn? We need to go U-turn, you guys. I don't know where we are. Okay, here we go. No slippery. Alright, guys. Finally here. We're finally going south. We're going south and straight to right here. North. East. We're going east. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay. Are you okay? Are you okay, Bobby? I am okay, but I'm scared. It's okay. I think we should grab the blanket because I heard Bucky's has a brand new blanket. So you have to be cold. You have to get cold. You have to be cold. So they have blanket, so you are gonna get cozy, okay? Okay, so hopefully they're gonna have, because I heard they have blanket at Bucky's to stay cozy. There it is. There's goes Bucky's. Oh my goodness, guys. Look where we are. Kill this car right now. Or low. It's gonna be low. Oh my goodness, guys. Here we are at the parking lot. I think we just passed that. It's so foggy. I think we're at Becky's. Okay. Okay, cat now. Get something at the gas station. Wow. Oh wait. So you have to pay. So Canada, you have to pay for that. You have to pay for this car. This car needs to be gas, okay? This car needs to be fuel, okay? Okay. So yeah, we're actually well, let's go to Bucky's right now, you guys. Okay, we need to get something to pay. There's only people at the line. Oh my goodness, you guys. You guys, we finally paid for the blanket, 2 blankets and Powerade. So let's go. Right now we need to go. Right now we have to pay gas. We have to go to we have to pay this gas. I think Hannah will be in charge. I think Bobby Bear Hug will be charged to fill gas. Goodness, guys, not good. Now you guys, we finally fill this gas right now, so we need to get to the hut. We need to start to drive on the highway, you guys. So yeah, we need to get there right now. We need to go all the way to Greenville, Wisconsin, you guys. guys. We need to get there right now. Oh, guys. They're going to go U-turn, you guys. Guys. Seems like there's gonna be a snow picking up. They say everyone head home. They said, oh my gosh, you guys. Let's turn on the news what they're gonna say. Oh my goodness, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, citizens in Wisconsin. I'm your host, Bubba Fett. Unfortunately, you guys had to escape from the town, or you had to drive home right now because the storm is going bad, you guys. So we have to stay indoors right now. Stay home right now. That town is dangerous. That is how dangerous to drive. Oh my goodness, guys. We have to go home right now. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. Think we have to say we have to stay in town. We have to stay in this town, you guys. Unfortunately, Greenville, Wisconsin is shut down due to car accidents. Oh my goodness, guys, what are we gonna do? We only have power and 2 blankets. I don't know what we're gonna do. We have to stay cozy. What are we gonna do, Bobby? Oh my goodness, we just lost control. So slippery. Oh my goodness, guys, I cannot believe it, you guys. We're in so much trouble because I cannot believe we just leave this town like this. And when this snow has 55 feet per hour, so go home right now. Your school is canceled on Monday. Oh my goodness, guys. Far to drive. Cannot believe it. I think we need Uncle. We need Uncle Christian to drive. But luckily we have this video, you guys. Oh my god, we're finally at home, you guys. We're finally at home. Why is the lights like that? Bobby? Do you know what's going on with this electricity? Like, this light is not working. Let's go. What's going on? Let me turn off the light. Oh my gosh, the light is not working, and the outside light is still on. It's dimming. Oh my goodness, you guys. Bobby, I think we have to stay cozy. We have to put on blankets. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, actually, we have to go to bed. Let's go to bed right now. Let's go to bed. We're just staying cozy right now. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, start to put blankets on, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. We have no choice, you guys. We have to stay home, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a like, comments, subscribe to enjoy Jack Dad family, Jake Gaines family today. We will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys stay safe in massive blizzard storm. If you guys stay safe and cozy, I would like to hear that. Bye, everyone.